Hi, my name is Anthony. I work here at Erickson. I'm a foreman on a waterproof crew. Today is day one of a 4-day job. Mainly first day, we get the pump in, get most of the demo done, jacking up all the concrete around the perimeter. Then we trench it all out, dig it all out, and haul it and throw it into the truck. Day two, we usually start setting the system, laying the crushed stone in, getting everything ready for concrete, and if we do have enough time to get the concrete done, we get the concrete done day two. Pretty big job, so we're doing it in sections. One half of the basement we're doing all the demo, and then the next day we're going to come in and do all the cement and all the concrete. And the next 2 days we're going to go onto the other side of the basement, get those rooms done, get the demo done, and then go on and put in the WaterGuard and all the crushed stone all around, and then lay cement. So I mean, it's pretty tough work, but we get the job done.